on and off again, and that would affect other things. That would affect the amount of people immigrating. That would affect confidence, lack of confidence in trade or investments. It had, a lot of negative effects. So we came up with the idea that, this idea was based on a constitutional right. Remember, United States, every state used to be a country. Before we formed the United States, New York was a country with its own executive, that was the governor, with its own Congress, with its own Senate. And when they decided to unite all these countries that were states, they agreed that we would unite only on the condition that we retain sovereignty to be able to negotiate trade deals, to be able to deal with other countries, and to be able to reach agreements. And that today exists, that right. So the idea was to come down with New York State to pass a sister state resolution which declares New York State's desire to do business and to have cooperation with Pakistan. Now realize that the budget of New York State is approximately the same size as the budget of all of Pakistan. So we identified the areas of education, economic development, and health. And we came down here and we started planting the seeds of this idea. That this was last October. We came here and we started speaking to your officials, speaking about this idea of state to state. Because the idea was that if we can be successful in creating this relationship and creating trade and create educational exchanges and work on these different things, that if we